blogger ye muntu avaayo n'akuwa updates z'amawulire, highlights z'amawulire. Okitegera n'asonsola ebibadde mu mawulire. It may be true, it may not be true. You're a blogger. Okitegera, blogger is journalist. Tally journalist. No. We are actually qualified. We are not qualified. We just blog about things. It can be food blogging, fashion blogging, and sports blogging. With me, blogging, it's a hobby. It's a hobby. Like, it's not my full-time job. I have something that I do for a living. Katino yiringanga my other side gig, Jengola. Kubanga, most importantly, my page is monetized. Besides being monetized, tufuna gigs like promotion gigs. Chiringanga wonogamatu. You can either make it a full-time job or outside income. With me, it's a hobby. Abachifulo mjibisiba chamu. Kubanga chidi chibatekerake mmere kutebo nga nange wechintekerako. Kubanga botunulire nnyo ebintu ebisinga okuva ku social capital etutumu byonna benambije kusenga si tutumu lyange senga situdde wano. It's blogging, meaning that ekintu bwebanga I have passion for it. Nchikozesa positively, sirinako buzibu. I give back to community, I deliver, I'm mentoring new bloggers. Okitegera njagaliza nkwata ne ku bantu nenga nti so agambe tutusondere ono gundi balalide Saudi nonkozesa omutimbagano gwange. That's passion. Ebera passion, it is part of you, whether you have a big job, whether it will always be part of me. Blogging will be part of me. Waliwo ebintu ebimu ebitasobola nze kati kuntwala like mbungenda ku police kunvuma vuma nti omuntu anvumye zombie ndi zombie. No. And zombie is not even a bad line. Zombie is an animal. You get it? If that's how you see me, like I'm an animal, that's it to you. Maybe even me, I see you like a chimp. Okitegera tekisobola kunzija mbeera mbongenda ku police wasting a time okusente lawyer mbumuntu olokuba a character assassinated me like actually that's gundi okunvuma abanvumye. I wish her the best and mwagaliza obufumbo obulungi. She has always wanted to be married. She's welcome to the family. Oyaffe aba married nze mbadde nfumba for 12 years n'abaana bana and bwotubanga tufunye mu club abatweyungamu omulaba ddala ayagala obufumbo. You could see like she's yearning to have the ring on her finger. Tukimwagalize buli muwala yenayina kyaba ayagala ewaabwe batwaleyoko ku kintu. Wana bampadde kaadi Gomezi nja jesiba oli njogera naye tewali wayina kaadi. Bad black and checking akambuza ku baana ampalanirako kati abampalana era ngamba yandopera n'okundaba kino nekikuvumye netokiddamu ono muzire. Nze nabaleetera Bad Black mu Limelight, the second version of her. We have in Malaysia. We have mukomera n'akomawo ne muyigiriza Snapchat. Her first even password was my son name Namayega. Nze najimugulirawo. Net falling out ku Snapchat. What's chat ne bagira username to kamanyi papa mangu tasola gama disseminating information quickly nga nze oyinza okungamba nti Rita maybe akugeyezela ba chat, but I want to see the number nge ya mebo yewereza sinti linya wali savinze botyo okitegeera because me I can create that chat nentika ko mbuno Timothy mbuno onvumye nenga edinya lyabadde lya mebo ne tuli editinga ne tulaga Timothy akugeya. So she just went gaga. She realized later to bring her back in my life. I'm glad it's passed. I've grown that. Nti nkwagaliza obufumbo obulungi beera mwana mwetowaze. Don't be the boss in the house. Beera nganze munange okuteeka kaneko kevivi otegere nti gwe mukazi sitoli musajja mu maka oyagala ebbaawo paka bukadde muzaale mweyongere okuzaala abaana abalala.